Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, HM Done. Have you ever wondered to use both Windows and Kali Linux on the same computer without deleting Windows or using virtual machine? Today in this video, I will show you step by step how to safely set up Windows and Kali Linux dual boot system from the scratch. So don't worry, if you're a beginner, I will explain everything clearly, including partitioning, creating bootloader, installing Kali Linux, configuring zero, etc. By the end of this video, every time you turn on your PC, you will be able to choose whether to boot into Windows or Kali Linux. So, if you're interested in cybersecurity, ethical hacking, or Linux, this is one of the important setup you'll ever learn. So, let's get started. So, first of all, I will show you the steps. So, these are the steps which you are going to do right now to install Linux. So, first step is to turn off BitLocker. So actually, this is my PC is a new PC, so there is no BitLocker in it. So if you want, I can make a tutorial video on how to turn off the BitLocker. But it is necessary to turn off the BitLocker before installing the Kali Linux. So first, now the second step is creating a free space for Kali Linux. So in order to create a free space, let's go into the disk manager. Okay, let's go to start menu and type create and format the hard disk partition. So open this. So here you can see all the disk partitions that are available in my PC. So you have to make a partition for your calendars. So select your C drive and right click. Now select string volume. Yeah. So here you need to allocate some memory for your calendars. So as of now, I'm allocating 100 GB, which is nothing but 1 lakh MB. So shrinking the volume. So here you can see 97.66 GB is unallocated. So in this space, we are going to install Kali Linux. So don't assign this as a separate new volume. Just leave it as it is. Now close this. So now the third step is creating a portable USB drive for Kali Linux. So in order to create this, first open your favorite browser and type kali.org. So go to download section and then go to installer images. So here you can see x86 64-bit architecture. This you need to download. So let's download this. So here, so actually I have already downloaded this. So let me show you. Yeah. So this is the installer. So you need to download this. It is around 4 point. Yeah, it's around 4.4 GB. So you need to download this. After downloading this, you need another software called Rufus. Just type Rufus download and open this first link. This Rufus software, it helps in installing the ISO file to your USB drive. So I have all just go down. Here you can see first link Rufus 4.14.exe. This is the standard version and it is compatible with all kind of Windows. So now I have already downloaded this. So I'm just ready to this. So here you can see you need to install this Rufus application. Click yes. So here, before opening this website, sorry, before opening this application, you need to take a 8 GB of pen drive, minimum of 8 GB of pen drive, and you need to insert it to your PC. Then this Rufus automatically selects the pen drive. If it does not detect the pen drive, then you can manually select here. So now you need to select the ISO file which is nothing but Kali ISO file. Here you can see this is the file which I have downloaded. So I'm selecting this, open. So here you need to use MBR or GPT. So if your system is having UEFI, then you need to use GPT. If you're using BIOS, then you need to go for MBR. Since my system is using UEFI, I'm using GPT. So nothing we can do in advanced properties. So here, yeah, this file system you can use it as a default FAT32. I am starting this. Okay. So here it's see here you can see it's warning that the data in the pen drive will be completely erased. So I'm clicking OK. So here it will take some time to install into your USB drive. So it's done. Um, Now we are closing this. So our portable pen drive is ready right now. So the next step is disabling the secure boot and boot sequence. Um, First we need to disable the secure boot, then we need to change the boot sequence. So in order to do this, we have to go for BIOS. So let's go to BIOS. Restart the system by holding Shift key. It'll go to this menu. Then go to troubleshoot, advanced options. Then here you can see the UEFI firmware settings. Let's go to here and restart. So here, so this is my UEFI settings. So I'm going in settings. Here I'm going for advanced settings, and in this advanced settings, I'm going for Windows OS configuration. Here it is a secure boot. This is enabled, right? So I'm disabling it right now. So that's it. Now again going back. So here you can see I also have to change the boot sequence or boot priority. See, this is the boot priority order. First option is I've kept as a USB. Make sure to make the first option as a USB, and then go back, then can save and exit, save changes and reboot. Yes. So here we are disabling secure boot because it prevents unauthorized OS from loading, and it also blocks the grub bootloader, which is important for running Kali Linux. So we are disabling it. So now, yes, here you can see Kali installed is loaded. So now just press enter. It's being loaded. Wait for some time. So select English. continue. So select India, continue. Now keyboard selecting American English, continue. So it's installing. The components are being installed. So it's checking for the network. So as of now, there is no Wi-Fi setup in my PC. I'm just relying on LAN cable. So if you have Wi-Fi, then it will be shown in the network. So since I'm using Wi-Fi LAN, it's directly came to the host name setup. So you need to give your host name here. I'm giving as a Dev PC. Continue. So domain, if you are just we can skip this by pressing continue. So here you need to give your name. I'm giving Dev. So make sure to remember this name and next continue. So yeah, again, I think I need to change this name Dev Padiyala. Giving. So I'm continuing. Next. So here you need to give your password, which you need to remember. You need to re-enter it. Now let's continue. Yeah, now this clock is setting. Now it's detecting for the space to install the Linux. Yeah, actually, we already made a unallocated space in our disk partition, right? So we're going to use that. So in order to use that, we are checking this guided. Use the largest continuous free space, and let's click continue. So you need to select this option to make it easy for using the Kali Linux. All files in one partition. So continue. Finish the partition disk and write change to disk. Let us select this option and let's continue. So here, yes, you need to check this S box and continue. So here you can see the complete system is being installed. So it may take some time depending upon your computer. So now it's installing the essential softwares that are required to. Yes, here you can see there are different types of versions in. Not it's not a version; it's a distros in Kali Linux. Basically, if your computer is low end, you need to select XFCE, which is a default desktop environment. And if you have a high end PC, you can go for GNOME. And if you have a mid range or something which is having a graphic card, then you can go for KDE Plasma. So I choose KDE Plasma. Actually, KDE Plasma is more customizable compared to other two distros. And if you have any problem in installation, then you need to uncheck this two. So let's continue. Yes, so our Linux is installed. So now we need to remove the USB and we need to reboot it. Let's remove the USB first. Now we need to reboot the computer. Let's continue. It's done. So now let's open our Windows. So let's check for the disk partition. And yes, so here you can see there are three other partitions which belongs to Kali Linux. That means the Linux is installed in our computer. So in order to log into Linux, we have to restart computer. Restart anyway. Yeah. So here you can see Kali Linux. Yes. So here you can see Kali Linux has been installed. So you're pressing enter. The Linux is getting loaded. It's loaded, guys. So now we need to log in it. So let's enter. So it's loaded, guys. Here you can see welcome screen Kevin Linux. Let's go next, 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 finish. So this is our Kali Linux, guys. So first of all, let's update this. Open terminal and type sudo update sudo apt update and then sudo apt upgrade by press enter. You need to give your password. So it's updating all the packages. Here you can see it will take some around 2 minutes to install all the packages. So these are all the packages that are getting updated. You can see. Update. So now close the terminal, and now if you want to go back to Windows, you can just restart it. So here you can see. Now you can select uh, Windows Boot Manager, then press enter. Done. So let's log in to our Windows. So it's done, guys. So this is how you can install Kali Linux and Windows in the same computer. So if you like my video, try to share, subscribe, guys. If you have any comments, you can just comment down in the comment section. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Let's meet in another video. Bye.